This initiative is about advanced manufacturing in the Rio Grande Valley. In FY21, the state allocated $10 million to the A&M system, specifically TEAS and TEACS, to provide training. And so we took that funding and we focused around the Port of Brownsville because there's the biggest need around there.
I had a very good instructor that instructed me, and I ended up getting the NCCR Maritime Welding with the TEACS program. It's benefited me and my family. Multiple employers are offering me jobs.
The wonderful thing about it is it has no requirements, so we're not asking for a high school diploma, GEDs, no income level. So we do a large program with the middle schools and high schools to just let them know that this is an opportunity. We train them in critical thinking, problem solving.
By having you guys come into our classrooms, you acknowledge that our community is important and that you want our talent, and our kids get excited because they feel wanted. Just by introducing them to training such as industrial robotics or CADA in the classroom, I was able to see how the kids started making those connections to real life.
The future's all around you, you just have to pay attention to it. So if you pay attention to the Valley, that's really where the growth is. We've started 3 new programs which are focused on hydraulics, pneumatics, and electrical. The intent is to grow it out to the other counties around there. This is an opportunity to train that workforce for the future of Texas.